So sa mga naghahanap ng wifi and inspiration, hanapin yung tag nila. Yan.
Really?
Mas gusto mo talaga yung amoy, ninanamnam mo yung yung binabasa mo dahil sa amoy. Oo.
Nan Babaw Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga.
Yes, so for today's vlog, didiscover natin itong bagong-bagong coffee shop dito sa may Jasa Road along San Fernando, Pampanga. And titingnan natin kung ano yung mga sinaserve nila.
Guys, take note, this is not an ordinary cafe. You gotta check out until the end para makita nyo guys ano ba yung serve na sa atin.
So if you want to know more about them, samahan nyo kami sa tara. Let's go!
Hello po, ako si Mia Pexon, mother of 3. Since nga siya, library cafe, ang gusto ko talaga i-build na ambience, ito yung cozy, homey, yung pwede kang mag-lean and then just read your books or yung pwede kang ilang oras mag-work dito. Parang kung work from home ka, kung nag-aaral ka, then cozy po. Yun yung gusto kong ambience dito. And at the same time, let's not forget yung para sa alfresco. And para dun sa mga talagang groups na gusto lang talagang mag-chill at magkwentuhan. Na syempre dito sa loob, medyo tahimik yung mga tao. Sa labas, pwede po silang magkwentuhan.
So ayun guys, once again, welcome to Pampanga and welcome to VERSO. We would like to thank them for being such a generous host for this video. Dahil tignan nyo naman yung table natin. Napakarami ng mga sinaserve.
Actually, nakakabigla nga. No? So, even though maliit yung space or maliit siya sa tingnan sa labas, full meal tayo dito.
Yeah,
From
actually,
appetizer, yung mga pasta, desserts, mga meals, and even yung mga drinks natin.
Di mo akakalain na ganito pala siya sa loob and at the same time ito yung sinaserve nila. Dahil from the outside, it's just, parang normal establishment, small. Actually,
sa loob, maliban dito makikita nyo, meron din siya malaking parking.
Yes, sir. Yes. So, although yung location niya, guys, is napaka-accessible. It's just along Santos Avenue. So, it's very surprising that they have this kind of, dishes on their menu.
Yes, so let's start from their appetizer. Siyempre, so meron tayong nachos, chicken ranch salad, and siyempre yung chicken wings with 3 dips.
Alam ko, yung mga dips na to, it's special. It's not the ordinary. So, if they're gonna serve it tatlo kaagad, that is something special.
Pipili na lang kayo. Yes. And syempre, sa mga sandwich naman natin, so meron tayong kanilang crispy chicken sandwich. Ito yun. Tuna Clubhouse. Pero what is good thing here is brioche yung mga ginagawa.
Brioche buns, actually.
Yes. And syempre, yung kanilang grilled cheese.
Actually, Mark, if a restaurant uses brioche, ibig sabihin, they wanna make you taste very special.
Yes.
Yung mga kinakain natin, very special. Kasi in itself, is a special kind of bread.
So, speaking of bread, sila din po yung gumagawa ng mga breads nila dito.
Homemade.
Siyempre, hindi naman mawawala yung mga mains natin dito. Meron tayo dito yung kanilang Hawaiian po. Meron tayong T-bone steak, Salisbury mushroom pepper steak, Hungarian sausage, and yung kanilang chicken alaking.
One-stop shop.
Yes, actually.
Meron din silang mga other refreshments. Like this one, yung mga eat natin. They're actually out of the box. Just to add pala, so every time you come here, guys, so it's not just, you drink a good cup of coffee or a refreshment, you also have an inspiration.
Yes.
So aside po dun sa coffee, meron po kaming sparkling drinks, mga non-coffee din. Meron akong barley tea from Japan na binro namin. At it works. May own iced tea na rin kami. So, yan, may pasta po, kompleto. May pasta, may appetizers. Like yung sa appetizers po, may nachos, may chicken wings. Yung pang groups talaga. Yung may rice meals po kami, na lahat po nung rice meals namin, kami po talaga yung gumawa. Like yung tapa, kami po talaga from scratch nagmamarinate dito. Yung mga recipe namin ng mga chicken, lahat po by hand po dito. Wala po kaming inaangkat.
So whenever you come here, I mean, it's a great place for food.
Yes.
To have time reading.
Actually, maganda nga siya kasi library cafe.
Library cafe.
And medyo tahimik nga naman dito. Yeah, so later on, papakilala din natin yung mga desserts nila and yung pasta.
Yes. But if you add it with their, sauces, it becomes a little complicated. Medyo mas lumalalim yung lasa nila. I'm gonna try this one. Woo! Malig din ba kayo sa mga barbecue liempo, guys?
Trivia again, sila din gumawa ng mga patty nila. Siyempre, hindi na natin natin. Creamy.
I offer my banana cake recipe here, banana walnut recipe. Pangalawa pong na-perfect ko is yung cheesecake. I didn't realize that it was at that point na pala na pwede na talaga siya palang ipagmalaki. Kasi I was just baking it for fun before. Tapos nung sinerve ko siya dito, ang dami nag-comment na masarap pala. Na-encourage ako na, ayan, ina-offer ko na po siya as full cake po kung gusto na nila.
So, syempre, hindi mawawala dyan yung mga desserts natin dito sa may Verso. For dessert, syempre, meron tayo dito yung kanilang blueberry cheesecake, chocolate cream cake. Meron din tayo kanilang Korean cream cheese bun.
Yes.
Yan, meron din tayong homemade cookies. And yung kanilang almond Nutella, which is yung kinakain mo ngayon. And yung kanilang strawberry croffle.
So, they make sure na talagang yung sariling lasa talaga nila yung sinaserve nila sa atin.
Since hindi pa masyadong discovered itong place,
Yeah.
I think this is a must-go place sa mga nagde-date, sa mga nagdi-discover, and sa mga nag-explore.
More on makikita natin dito na nangyayari is since ang laki nga nung parking area nila, I think they're gonna be like people going here. Kikita mo, nandun sila sa camping chair nila, they're enjoying a sip of coffee.
Tumambay, nakatabay, nag-chill, nagkukwentuhan.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello po! Please visit us here at VERSO Cafe, Long Jose Abad Santos Avenue. Ang pinaka-landmark po namin is malapit kami sa entrance ng Mega World, tapat ng Hino and Pampanga's Best po. We open from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. po, daily po.
So, there you have it, guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you on the next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out.
More